Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how you can simply go ahead and delete your browsing history. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay we'll simply go ahead and step into our video. For the matter, what you would like to do is first of all simply accessing your browser, as I have done so over here. Once you would do that, you can find this kind of homepage of your browser, right? So in this Chrome browser section, if we go to this upper right corner and we will see our profile, we will see in this three dot icon on top right corner beside that, right? Go ahead, tap on it. What it will do, it will simply open up your menu including your history. Once we have tapped on that history option, we can again find this kind of pop-up option bar menu open up. We can go ahead, tap on this history option above, and now this will simply open up all of the history, and we can see, but we do have one option called by date. We can see an option called by group, so we can tap on any of it according to our need and see which one we would like to delete. If you're in by group section, we can go ahead, tap on this, the first section. It actually groups the same search option or search history. Tap on this three dot and simply tap on this remove all from history. This will be one. Tap on this remove the history, done. Other would be simply going to by date and simply going to select your history and deleting them. Tap on this delete option above, and that way tap on this remove option again, confirm it, and then our particular history will be removed. So this is what we can do, but I will suggest for you to simply going to the by group section and deleting it by group, because it will actually put in all of the same search option at the same place, so you can delete multiple at once. So this is it, guys. I hope this video was helpful to you all. Thank you so much for watching, and yes, I'll see you guys in our next video.